Hey guys, now I'm going over lesson 6 in science, compounds. So first we have H, which is on our periodic table. H stands for hydrogen, and this is just one atom, okay? Then after an atom, we can put them together. I don't know if you've ever heard of this, but H2O also stands for water. When we put them together, it's a compound. So H2O, because there are two or more elements. There's hydrogen and there's oxygen. Okay, that is a compound. This is and it needs to be chemically combined. This is a chemical compound. There are other kinds of compounds. There's synthetic compounds and organic compounds. So, an example of synthetic is something that is created in a factory or something. So, plastic would be an example of a synthetic compound. And we just did an example of a chemical compound. And an example of an organic compound would be sugar. And then a mixture, and they give a really good example of this on your lesson. A mixture is two or more things that can be easily separated. So, in the example, it's talking about a banana split. Yes, all the items are together, but you can easily take out the banana, you can easily take out the cherry, or whatever else is in there. So, if you needed to know the difference between a compound and a mixture, because they are very similar, a mixture, they keep their properties. So, this is an example that we saw on our lesson. The banana is still a banana. It hasn't combined, which makes is what the compound does. They are still their individual pieces. Mixtures also do not go through a chemical change. Okay, now I'm going to go over what each of these stand for. So the C is carbon, the O is oxygen, the H is hydrogen, which I went over at the beginning. Si is, don't want to tell you the wrong thing, is silicon. Ca is, hold on, is calcium. Na is sodium. And last is Cl, which is chlorine. So they use each of these things and put them together to create mixtures or compounds. So is this a compound? No, because it is only one element. Okay? Is H2O a compound and a molecule? Well, first, is it a compound? It has two or more elements, so yes, it's a compound. Is it a molecule? Yes. Are all molecules also compounds? No. All compounds are molecules, but not the other way around. And an example of a mixture would be when you put salt and water. And I was going to show this to you, but I couldn't find a clear cup. And you mix it all together. It dissolves in there, but eventually that salt will settle to the bottom. So they keep their chemical properties. So it is a mixture. That's it.